Hello, people of the world. This is PupAltAndNep, and today we are going to be doing some parkour. Or I should say, 3 of us are going to be filling out parkour, and 1 of us is going to finish, and that will be Top Me Neppy over here.
Yeah, it's Parkour
Yeah.
Panic, made by these 3 guys. Links maybe in description. Basically, the goal is there's the start, there's the end, get to the end. If you're the last one there, you lose a life. Lose all lives, you're out of the game.
We already know who's gonna be losing first.
Yeah, you Puppet?
Yeah.
To be me. Why are you saying me?
Alright, basically gold platform, get there first. We're also invis for each other so that we don't cheat. Cough, cough. Alright, that's it.
Cough, cough, who?
Oh, fuck.
Also, by the way, all these maps are randomly generated by the guys over and the people who made this map. Anyways, easy GG's. Oh wait, Salt's fumbling? Salt's fumbling? It's embarrassing, it's embarrassing.
Oh,
it's embarrassing, it's embarrassing.
No!
I told you.
Wait, oh never mind, Andy's
Andy's-
fumbling. And Andy's
Yeah.
hard fumbling? And Andy's fumbling? Andy fumbles? No.
Oh, fumbled at the end. I told you. I told you.
Oh! Okay.
It was almost embarrassing for Andy, it was almost embarrassing.
I saw Top fumble at one point during that.
Well, I mean, fumbling means I didn't finish,
Well, no, but like you like fell and you never fall. Like, see, you've already made it to the end point. You absolute.
How is Andy ahead of me? What the fuck?
Salt's taking massive L's right now.
Bro!
Salt's taking
Bro.
massive L's.
Actually, no, Andy is because
Boom.
Andy just shit.
Oh,
Shit.
fuck.
There you go.
Okay, never mind.
No!
It's the battle between Salt and Andy.
Alright.
Pop just fumbled.
No, I actually just that's a route. What are you guys talking about? What? I never fumbled.
Oh.
It's just optimal, you know?
Oh no!
It's just optimal.
It's just optimal. Oh,
It's just optimal.
fuck me. Fuck me, man.
See? It's
Okay.
optimal. Salt,
Okay.
what are you doing?
No,
Salt,
don't look at me.
Salt, what are you doing?
Don't look
are
at
you
me.
doing? What are you
Don't.
doing?
Don't look at me, okay?
What are you
Oh
what
my
are you
God.
Oh
doing?
my god. How is that?
I thought Andy was bad at parkour.
What did I? No offense, Andy.
Okay.
Whoa! Sorry, I
Okay
had to
then.
pull out
By the way,
radio
to
show.
the people who watch my POV, I'm sorry, but if my footage seems like Sonic the Hedgehog playing Minecraft, because I like wiggle my camera a lot.
Good
Well,
show, jolly good show.
Wait, Salt, how are you this behind? Salt, no. Salt,
Is that wagon?
just
is
use
that
your
wagon?
compass. Just use your compass. That's the way there. Why are you going backwards?
China.
Wait, you
Wait,
fumbling this hard?
Wait.
Salt. Salt. Salt.
Oh. Oh, they're both gonna fail.
So,
Oh, bro,
And
you
never
could
mind.
literally just walk to
Ah,
the, like
damn
to
it.
the end.
Oh, it's true. Damn.
I see where it is.
I'm down to 2 lives. Salt is out of this game.
As per usual.
Okay. No. Actually, it's typically Andy that goes out first, okay? Okay.
Alright, well, I mean, it's a surprise to absolutely nobody.
And I'm about to go out.
Andy, just don't even do the parkour, just walk.
Nope.
Oh.
Ooh.
Damn. Puppet's off first. Puppet might get here first. And there goes. Puppet might get first. Puppet might get first. Puppet fumble.
Oh my gosh.
Puppet fumble. top fumble.
Wait, am I pressing space for what?
Yes.
Alright, alright.
Oh my god!
I
Puppet,
press-
puppet feet
That was
up.
a major fumble.
Alright, hold on, be right back.
It's a major fumble coming from Andy. It must be a big fumble.
Uh-huh.
Just fumbled. Top is ahead. Top may.
Oh. Up, yep, Pop got it.
GG's.
Yep.
Major fumble by Puppet.
It's kind of hard because it's like the map's randomly generated too, so it's kind of like nothing's like natural, you know? Like you have to make your own path.
And my own path
Top
is
is.
just not
Top is
taking the purple.
smoking Puppet here.
Yeah, bro, he's destroying me.
Puppet is getting smoked.
You
Alright.
know, I'm just happy that I took one life away from top. So
Puppet has to win out here.
Oh my god,
He's
puppet's
ahead.
in front, puppet's in
ahead.
front of top. Oh,
Puppet's
never
in-
mind.
Walking
Pop's doing the
battle.
same strategy of me.
Walking battle. Woohoo.
Oh god.
Puppet fumble.
Yeah, I did.
And Top wins this one.
Alright.
Oh.
Well, another time. Get on the purple. Also, baby, since I have 2 wins, it's because we did a practice game. Alright, let's see the nether map.
Read.
It's probably what you think it is.
Never.
Oh dear, okay, this may look harder.
Oh god.
Yeah, this may.
Oh no.
So a lot of people might get out without even getting right.
I found
Yeah.
lava.
Let's
Nobody's
go.
gonna be able to finish this one.
Oh, I will.
Oh dear.
Oh come on, what the fuck?
Oh dear. At least this one's. Oh, who's already making mistakes?
Oh shit, over there. Oh my god.
Puppet?
Oh my
Oh, the
god.
end point was
Oh
that
my
close?
God.
Jeez.
Oh, what?
Salt,
I'm
salt,
here.
salt for the fumble. Aw,
I
It-
fumbled that
it was-
one.
it was almost embarrassing.
Okay, shut up. Wait, can I just
Oh my gosh,
do this the
please.
whole... I can just do this the whole time.
Where is it?
Fumble.
Oh, I see where it is.
Top can't find it. Oh, fuck!
I found it. I found the way home.
No. No! Top,
Bro, it's
no way
not
home.
Spider-Man. Bro, it's not Spider-Man.
I found home, guys.
No. Come on. How is Salt beating me this round?
We gotta have a tiebreaker round between those two.
We need a fumble compilation, I swear. And F in the chat. Wait, hold on. Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait. Hold. Okay, never mind.
Okay! What the fuck?
We need a tiebreaker
Oh,
round.
man!
Alright.
Wait, where am I going? Oh, that's where I go.
It's
Oh, nope, no, don't go in the lava. That will kill me.
Top is smoking the competition here. Top already
Must
finished.
be-
Wait, puppet, fumble?
Damn.
Alright.
Because I
Right,
fell
right.
into lava, it's impossible to do parkour when you've fallen in lava.
Top is smoking the competition here.
Nope, that might be me, because I fell in the
Top is
fucking lava.
fumbling
I
already?
fucking fumbled right there because I fell in the lava, and I am now stuck between a fence. And it'd be
Stop
nice
fumbling.
if I can stop burning alive. That will be very nice indeed.
The biggest cove. The biggest cove.
Nope. Oh yeah, Puppet beat me.
Wait, this might be his fumble. Might be
Wait,
a fumble
wait.
by Puppet.
Wait. Wait. Hold. Never mind.
Ah, damn it.
Almost
It's
I was
not
right there.
about to fumble to Salt Vodka, bro.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
Oh wait, hold on, wait.
Top fumble.
Wait, hold on. No, it'll be easy. Watch.
I don't even know where the gold is.
And GG's.
My shot. It's my chance. It's
Salt.
my chance. This is
Salt.
my
Use
chance.
your compass, puppet. Use your compass. Never mind.
I didn't know where it was!
Use your compass. It points you in the direction to it.
Alright. Puppet and Salt. Salt does not know where he's going.
Yes, I do. I'm trying. I'm trying to find my way home.
He's trying to find home, guys.
I'm trying to find my way home. Oh,
Spider-Man.
Fumble in here?
oh, actually, holy shit! Hold on.
Spider-Man,
Wait.
please go home.
Oh no!
Salt fumble.
Wait, where even is
Salt
Salt?
fumble.
Wait, oh, never
What
mind,
the,
Salt's
what the
gone.
hell? I thought that was. Wait, I thought that was. Ah, damn it!
Use your compass. It's very
down
helpful.
to-
Where am I supposed to go? Where am I supposed to go?
Alright.
Over there.
Use your compass.
Or I can just follow top.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Jesus last is
Wow.
eliminated.
Oh wait,
And
Oh no!
top fumble.
no, it's
Oh.
fine. It's,
Puppet eliminated.
Let's go. Oh, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Where am I supposed to go? Oh no!
never mind. Bye, Salt.
Oh, mate.
Bye, Salt.
Oh no!
See, this map is so scuffed because if you fall into lava, you're done.
And
Damn.
GG's.
Alright,
Hey,
well,
Ocean.
we gotta have.
GG's.
Ocean time.
Ocean man.
Right, no, that was like he
Please
said.
don't tell
What?
me
What
I
could
just
ocean?
messed up.
Oh, it's water. Oh, that's a punishment for falling this
Oh,
time.
no.
It's water.
No, we can't just
There's
walk.
no walking. Oh.
There's no walking.
Ah, damn it!
Damn.
Andy saying "damn" as if it was gonna change anything.
Wow.
You
Toxic much?
lost the salt.
So did you. And I'm the only one who's taken one from top. What do you mean?
Wow. Why are you guys so toxic to each other as a page?
I'm on par with PupAltAndNep. Real.
Oh wait. Oh no. Not like this, Andy. Not like this.
Where do we go now?
Use your compass.
I think there is a way to walk it, but it's really complicated.
Oh, the current is really good.
Oh,
Oh shit! Come on, be top, be top, be top, be top, be top,
No.
be top, be top! Ah, damn it! Top already got. I was so close to it.
Wait, the current's so good. Wait, yeah, no, that is true. The current's so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, y'all. The current is the way to go, bro.
I'm fumbling hard here.
Oh yeah! Ow!
And
Oh, bye-bye,
after the
Andy.
chat, and bye, Andy. This is
Bye bye, Andy.
Yeah. Yeah, there was no way I was gonna win this one. Oh my god.
Be a
Oh my
sweat.
god.
Be a
Salt might
sweat.
get it first.
Be a
Salt-
sweat.
Salt might
Be a
get first.
be a sweat.
Salt might get first.
Be the sweat.
And
go!
safety. I don't
Go.
care. I don't care. I care about safety.
Next.
okay. The current is definitely
Top
helping me.
smoking the competition. Top smoking that
Oh my gosh, please.
someone just walked into.
Oh shit! Papa's right behind me.
Wait, wait, wait,
Oh
hold
my
on, wait,
God.
wait, no, that was way too close. Wait,
Oh,
no, that was way too close. Recover.
Alright.
okay. Come on, top. 3-0 puppet.
Salt's in first. Puppet is second. Puppet is in first.
Come on, be top, come on, come on.
Ah, GG's.
Oh,
Puppet.
Oh,
damn,
shit.
bro.
I see where it is.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Top smoking me.
That's
Top is smoking me right
I
now.
see the future.
Smoking that.
Yeah, I was not making that.
Smoking that salt pack.
Oh shit, over there. Oh no! No! Okay, okay,
Oh,
no.
again,
Puppet, you lost 2 in a row to me, alright?
Can you see my chats?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see your chat.
Oh, why can't I? What the hell?
I don't know, skill issue.
I beat you at every other aspect of
Oh
life.
wait, yeah, no, that's all got this.
Actually, I wouldn't say that right now. 'Cause I'm
Okay.
actually I'm fumbling this. Oh, I'm fumbling this so damn hard.
What? Okay, that was
No!
you almost fumbled that.
I almost fumbled it. I
You
didn't.
almost fumbled that one. That would be the most embarrassing fumble.
Yep, I'm screwed. Yeah, but GG's. GG.
Wait, how did Top get 2?
I beat him.
Dang it, now I'm not
Yeah.
the only one who can
Okay.
say I beat
Yeah.
Top.
Oh,
Okay.
cave time. Join,
Okay.
join, Salt.
Joined.
Here we go, boys.
Alright, now we're going
Going to
down
the
into
cave.
the cave, which means, oh, okay, this is underground now.
Oh, okay.
This does
I
not
don't
look
like
forgiving.
rules.
This does not look forgiving.
No, it doesn't.
Oh dear, if you
Oh,
get
no.
lost, you can get lost in the sauce here.
Oh no.
You can get lost in my socks, I know.
Hey, yo, what?
Oh, what? What? Oh, oh no.
They got
no,
lost,
no, no,
guys.
no.
They got lost in the sauce.
Uh,
Oh, that's a nice detail. It's an ender portal. Well, Puppet also got lost in the sauce.
What
Ender
the
portal.
fuck? Oh my god, it's all the way over there.
Oh my gosh.
oh my god. Someone
Oh my
just
God.
died completely
Go, 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 go.
over there.
No chance. No chance.
Yes!
Hey!
Oh,
Okay.
No.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. That's not good. That's really not good for me.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, all I have to do is be Andy. Wait a minute, hold on. I'm fine, I'm fine. What?
Fuck, hold on. I'm fumbling. Fumbling. Boom. Bye bye, Andy.
And
Bye, Andy.
I got screwed over so many times.
And to the surprise of
I
absolutely
am
nobody.
Pop is smoking everybody.
Yeah.
I feel like Andy's like the
Or,
spectator.
oh no! 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 No!
And
So
do this.
got lost.
Ah! I was
I
right
accidentally
there.
just put my... There we go, my compasses. Where is it? Oh my god.
Come on, go, 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 go.
Salt is lost. Salt got
What do you
lost.
what do you mean? What do you mean I'm low? Fuck!
Pop is about to
No!
lose this one.
No! No, I'm about to lose this one. I actually fell. Shit!
I also fell.
Oh wait,
Everyone also
wait.
fell.
Oh,
Oh,
GG's.
Okay. Where is
Alright,
it?
This might be
There
a
it is.
close one here.
Oh, well, actually, no, it's probably going to be a close one, and then Top's going to
Salt-
sweep us.
Salt dusting everyone, but here comes Top. Top
Here
is
comes
taking
Top.
a step.
oh my gosh, I found the lava.
Wait, there's a
Top
shortcut?
going
Yeah.
Top fell in lava, it means.
Oh, don't fall in the cobwebs. That would probably be worse than lava.
Yeah, I'm in the cobwebs.
No!
Wait,
No!
the biggest
No!
bubble.
No!
The
No,
biggest-
no! No!
Oh my god, how did you fumble that?
No!
No, that's going to the compilation.
No!
That's going to the compilation.
No!
That's going into the compilation.
No!
Population. It looks like Top and Puppet will move on. Oh, Salt might have a chance here.
Nope, it's over. It's
Ah,
over.
damn it! Damn it!
Alright. Alright. Top is out in front. There goes Top.
Oh my gosh, never mind.
Oh, Top fell. Wait, Puppet might. And
No.
that is one for Puppet.
Nope.
Nope.
Fumble.
Salt.
Puppet fumble. Puppet had that one basically in the bag.
They wrote something more than the Bengals did.
Okay, bro, no! No! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! No, 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 we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that.
And for the final round, it's a remix of all the maps we've played. So God have mercy on our souls.
No.
Nice.
Oh no, it's the never. Oh no.
Maybe
Alright.
Andy will actually beat somebody this time?
I beat Salt the first round.
Oh yeah, it's true.
I know, that's why even though me and Salt were 2-2, I can just say, well, you lost Andy, so.
Is that like an insult?
Well, yeah,
Yes.
of course.
What are you talking about?
That's oh no, nope. Yep. Okay, yeah, you guys got that one.
Oh wait,
I don't know
huh? How do you get up here? What?
Oh my god,
Oh,
I'm ahead of top.
How do you get
So
up
what?
there? I'm
There's
so
a staircase.
okay. I was gonna say like, wait a minute, hold on. Huh?
It's really
Oh, that's a scuff staircase. Oh,
Oh, Andy almost had it.
No. That would have been a huge fumble by Pop.
almost.
That was by you. What are you talking about?
Well, yeah, but it's not expected for top to have a fumble, but it's.
Anyways,
Oh,
I
okay, yep.
fumbled.
Anyways.
I went to a cobweb.
GG's.
I lost.
Yep, GG's. GG's. Oh wait, I didn't do that.
oh wait,
Oh wait.
Andy. Wait. Wait, hold. Oh,
Ah,
oh.
damn it.
Oh, I thought Salt made it. I'm sorry.
It went. Oh, that.
Wait, over there again. Wait, hold on. Wait, big brain or small brain? This is big brain.
Oh no.
Thank you, Top, for letting me know.
That is big brain. No, it's just big brain.
Okay.
Damn. How fast was that?
Well, we just found out like a really.
Full tech.
Just the scaffolding.
Why'd you say it like that? I'm sorry, but scaffolding.
The scaffolding?
GG's.
Oh no! No! Oh,
It's okay.
well,
I'm fumbling harder than you guys.
no.
Alright, well, there you go. GG's. And,
Oh.
and F in the chat for Andy. And F in the chat for Andy. Wait.
Or
Wait.
Wait.
Hold.
wait.
Never mind.
Oh, come on, Andy! Oh no.
Never
Okay.
mind.
No.
Yeah, I almost
I
fumbled that
thought
one.
Papa was some. I fell at the beginning. I thought it was over until I saw Papa something
What's
like,
up?
wait, what? Papa's smoking, y'all. Y'all gotta get good. We gotta get good.
I'm like right behind top. What do you mean?
You still suck.
Oh, there it is. Oh, ice. Oh, yeah.
Wait, hold, wait, puppet, wait. Wait.
Wait.
Wait.
No! No! I hate this! I hate this so damn much! I hate this so much!
Let's go.
That's definitely
All
going.
fumbles
That's
got
definitely.
harder than-
That's
Oh.
definitely going to
all
the
fumbles got
compilation.
harder than Joe Burrow last week.
What do you mean?
All fumbles got
Stop it,
harder.
stop ratting on the bagel, man!
Bro, do you guys see
Not fair.
Aaron
Fuck,
Rodgers'
get harder.
full 75-second career?
Yo, that was amazing, dude. His son.
Oh wait.
Oh.
Oh wait.
Ah! No, 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 no. No, 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 no,
Do you see his
no,
full
no,
75-second
no,
career
no.
this season, though?
no, no.
I don't even watch football, and I saw it on TikTok.
No, no,
Bye. Goodbye.
no,
Bye, Salt.
no, 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 we ain't doing that.
I
So
tried
what
to
was
use
that?
scaffolding. But
What was that?
All
Alright,
about it.
let's do a round where I'm not playing. Actually, I think that would be fair.
I'm down.
I was beating Puppet and Andy so well. What happened?
I wouldn't say so well. I mean, we're 3-2 right now, so
No, I was talking like the other two, like the two rounds that we, especially that one round where me and Top sweep Andy and Puppet.
I don't know, just luck because they felt
And
bad
then
for you.
you fumbled twice. So fumbled twice.
I'm bad. This pathing's bad. But it's not the worst pathing in the universe because I won.
GG's.
Alright,
Okay,
guys. Alright, I'm not gonna play a game, and you guys have to play a game and mix.
Okay.
Alright, Puppet, get
Mixed?
the
Okay.
join. Get the join. Puppet join. You have to start. Alright.
Oh.
Never mind. 1v1 against Salt and Andy, and then after this.
That makes more sense.
Alright, and then after this.
Man, what do you mean? What do you mean it makes more sense?
1v1 of Salt and Andy, and then all three of you play.
I mean, the gameplay speaks for itself.
What do you mean the gameplay speaks for itself?
That
okay,
is
There's only one
true.
person here who's lost Andy.
bro.
Alright. Even I didn't fumble playing against Andy. Alright. They both fell.
Shut up.
And in first place, we have Solitary who navigate this ocean area, join that gold platform as fast as you can. Finds well into the dungeon, then round into the wall, and then finds the staircase
I did
up.
not know where I was going.
And Salt will take the first life off of Andy. We're going to round 2.
I did not know where I was going.
Andy takes a slow start here, but Salt fumbles a parkour jump. Oh, that'll look bad on his PR later season. Looks like they're both real close to the staircase. Salt's making a mad dash for it, and that is another life taken off of Andy. Andy's on his game life. Looks like we're trying to go back across the map again. Looks like
Andy's taken a short lead. But
wait.
And he keeps the lead. He keeps the lead, but not by much. Salt takes that lead.
Salt takes the lead,
Because for some reason Andy decided to take a waterfall.
And yeah.
Salt wins.
Alright, now
Okay.
now Puppet gets added to the mix. Salt. Alright. Wait. Puppet versus Salt, actually. No, this makes sense. Puppet versus Salt. Puppet versus Salt, then the winner of this
How
versus
did
me.
I not get in? How did I not get in?
Well, never
How did I
mind.
not
The
get
winner of
in?
this versus me. That makes sense.
Yeah, I guess so.
Anybody got the time?
Free of me. 11. It's 10. It's 9:45 for you.
It'll be fine. And they're off on the mixed mixed semifinals here at the Puppet Viber Parkour Panic Tourney. This is a long
Alright,
course,
here we
folks,
go.
as the ending platform's on the other side of the map here.
Oh no!
Puppet is in the lead here, going to the nether section and going to cross between the cave and back to the nether. Oh dear. But how will they get up that staircase is a pivotal moment, as if you make a wrong error, like Puppet right there, you can give your opponent a chance to come back. It's a naked and it's over.
Ah, damn it.
It's over with that.
It's another long end. It's not a long angle here. Puppet's taking the high road while Salt's taking the low road. Never mind, they both switched to low road here. Looks like they're sticking to the same paths. Puppet in a slight lead here. No, wait, Salt taking a lead, and Puppet finds the staircase up.
Damn.
Is game life for Salt here. Salt
Well.
takes
A
a...
long way.
Salt takes
Salt
a...
takes the early lead.
Salt
Puppet
taking...
now in.
Oh
Never
no!
mind.
I felt
Salt
fell
is
in
in
lava. It's
Salt's
GG.
in lava. Yeah, it was looking all the way over. No
It's
sweat.
Looking really grim here for Puppet.
No
Unless he
sweat,
fumbles
and...
Ah. Okay.
A taunt.
Damn it! I fell in lava.
Oh wow, the
A taunt
GG
by
easy. Alright, Puppet, get on the join.
Alright.
Oh no, never mind. Andy, why did you join? Well, I guess
Bruh.
I want to face off against Puppet, so.
last place revenge? Question mark. Well, it looks like.
I'm gonna be really toxic. I'm sorry, Andy. Sorry.
Alright, so Puppet, we just have to defeat Andy, right? It's just gonna be 1v1, right?
Yeah. Top when Yuri joins.
What?
Isn't you don't remember from Yuri from?
I do, but what was that supposed to mean? What?
I think he's like goated at parkour.
Oh my, wait, actually. Did he like defeat Technoblade one time?
Just from.
Yeah, he played in MCC, whatever it's called.
The Contestants Island, yeah, the practice.
Puppet, how did you almost fumble that?
That is true.
I won.
I lost.
Alright, GGC. Oh.
Wait.
No way. No way.
Oh
See,
wow!
This is, at times like this, I wish I'd done it.
All right, here we go. All right, Top has taken.
Alright,
Top,
the
Top, is-
1v1
Top is taking
we
the
got
lead.
on.
Top,
Here
Top
I
is
didn't
taking
know
the
where the
lead. Puppet is
fucking goal
behind.
was.
Puppet is going. Top
Puppet
is smoking
just-
Puppet. Top just completely blown out
Oh, let me
Puppet
do
out of the
this.
water.
I
We got.
bounced it to your bankles.
Okay, you know what, Andy?
Top
Right,
is
the
taking-
Texans lost the same way to the Ravens. All right.
At least we put
Alright.
up a fight.
Okay, shut up.
Ooh.
And Puppet looks like he will cruise to a victory here. But no,
Nope.
here comes
No, Top,
does
Top's
Mr.
coming back.
Easy Jump.
Top is coming back. And yep,
GG.
That's going on our choke montage, folks.
that was the yeah, that's going on. Yeah.
Sorry, who did you guys lose to?
Here we go.
Wow.
Okay, first what?
Here we go. Here comes Top.
Who did I lose
Sorry,
to? Okay, lost.
Early.
Andy, I'm hearing 6-0 from you.
Wow. Wow.
Andy, I'm
Damn.
hearing 6-0 from
Alright.
you, and so I'm hearing 4-2.
Alright,
What the?
everybody-
At least I
Alright,
won.
Salt and
Okay.
Puppet. Alright, Salt and Puppet. You guys, now, okay, now it's everyone else besides me. We're gonna actually get a winner besides me this time.
Alright.
Alright, this is
Here we
between everyone else who's bad at parkour. Every video,
Everyone that's not good.
every video asserts that I'm just the best at parkour here. It's every video.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just wait until we play.
Bill battle.
Bro said build battle.
What? Bill? What? I can't be good at Bill battle?
The bro said build battle.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, so yeah, you shouldn't have fumbled this to Andy. Never mind, Andy's fumbling this hard. Never mind, Andy's fumbling this more. And that is
No.
Andy's first life gone.
I just fumbled back the other way.
Oh.
Back the other way, as Salt is taking an early lead here, Puppet trailing behind, and Andy's Andy's just following Puppet. Not a good strategy, following your competitors. You want to be ahead of them, not behind them. Oh wait, Andy might be first in the staircase. Puppet might. No, wait, hold on, hold.
Got it.
Well, oh!
No way.
Puppet has lost a life to Andy. It's embarrassing.
Where is it? Oh shit! I was going the wrong direction.
Where is this goal? It's on the other side. Salt's taking an early lead. Salt's really blowing this competition out of the water. Puppet is trailing behind. Andy is nowhere to be seen.
I have
Right.
no idea where it's at.
And Puppet will take the second save spot here. Andy's on game life now. It's a short sprint. It is who's
I
over
did
there
not-
the fastest. Oh boy, it's how they will play this section is crucial.
Fuck! Oh no.
Andy ahead of Salt here. Oh.
Andy,
no,
Andy,
no.
you fumbled.
Andy
fumbled.
fumbled. Alright, and
Let's go.
Salt versus Puppet here. The
That's
run
going to
back,
be
but Salt's in a slight disadvantage here.
that's going to go
Puppet
into-
taking the low road. Salt's also taking the low road here, seeing that the end is in sight, but Salt misses.
Let's go.
Where was he going?
I missed it.
Where was he going?
I don't know.
And they're
We're
all
gonna
going.
have a choke montage soon. So for our Friday video, we gotta have a choke montage.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Or-
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Salt
Here's-
fumble.
Here's.
Salt fumble.
Wait,
Salt
no!
fumble.
Get out of here, boy!
Puppet
Get out of
fumble.
here! Alright.
It's the steal of the century. Puppet on their game life here.
My
This-
my left headphones are currently blown out because my headphones suck, so I am at a disadvantage here. Let's not miss this again. That'll be oh shit.
Oh wait, Puppet's in the slight lead. Oh, and it's a bad dash, and it is
Damn it.
1-1. This is sudden death now. Sudden
match.
death in a
Sudden
very
death,
far
here we
away
go.
sprint. It is gonna take who is good at navigating this course the fastest. It is Puppet's in a Puppet's in a major lead now, and that is curtains for this tournament. Puppet wins
Ah, damn.
the
Damn it.
consolation
Damn.
bracket.
God damn.
Damn.
Wow.
Damn. L? What do you mean L? What do you mean L?
Well, that's gonna wrap up this video of PupAltAndNep. I've been TopNep.
I have been Salt, the one that is not choked. Don't look at the
Salty.
replay.
Easy peasy, 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 GG, easy GG, easy GG, easy GG.
That's a very
Just-
toxic
and just-
comment.
Ends the video right there. L, okay, L, okay,
5 to 2,
bro.
5 to 2, 5 to 2, 5 to 2.
What do you mean
Hey,
5 to 2?
And
What do you
that's
mean 5 to
Andy, and
2?
I'll see you
What do you mean 5 to 2?
all lovely viewers in the next episode. Later.
Okay, don't. What do you mean 5 to 2?